Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Chrome and your OS. Open Chrome and go to Menu Help about Google Chrome, make sure it's updated. Once done, decide if you want system-wide dark mode or Chrome-only appearance. On Windows, open Settings, Personalization, Colors to set dark system theme. If you prefer Chrome-only, continue here. It changes web content rendering differently. You need no extensions yet. This gets you the fastest, most consistent baseline for dark visuals and predictable contrast behavior. You enable Chrome's appearance settings next. Go to Settings, Appearance, and pick Dark Theme, or install a dark theme from the web store for cosmetic changes. For sites that don't follow themes, type Chrome //flags and enable Auto Dark Mode for web contents. Choose a behavior option that balances fidelity and contrast. Make sure to restart Chrome so flags apply. Once restarted, inspect a few frequently visited pages to verify images and colors remain usable, and adjust the flag. You finish by testing and fixing issues. Browse common sites to spot broken colors or unread text. If pages look wrong, try lowering the auto dark mode aggression or disable it. Make sure to clear cache or open an incognito window to rule out saved styles or extensions causing conflicts. If an extension was used, disable it to isolate the problem. Finally, if things still break, revert the flag or theme in settings. That restores expected behavior and gives you a clean baseline to retry safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.